Editing landscape photos may sound simple, but trying to capture the beauty of the scene as it was when you were there can be very difficult. This is why we have put together the Landscape Editing Essentials video course. In the first section of this course, we will cover all the basic adjustments that are typically made to most landscape edits using easy to understand tools. Next, we will cover how dodging and burning can drastically change your photos, along with steps for creating a mood in your photos. Then we will talk about editing photos with difficult lighting situations, along with compositing two photos together and applying creative edits. We even include 3 complete video guides that cover night photography, sunrise photography, and seascape photography, showing you how to edit those photos from start to finish. This essential course is 2 hours long, includes 8 high-quality videos and downloads of the photos used in this course to follow along. If you're ready to learn the techniques that the pros use to get amazing landscape images, check out the Landscape Photography Editing Essentials course by Sleeklens.